Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mid-fidelity prototypes in Figma. We'll start by understanding what mid-fidelity means and why it's a crucial step in your design process. Then, we'll dive into Figma's tools, focusing on how to build a functional and testable prototype efficiently. This approach helps you gather valuable feedback early on, saving time and resources in the long run. To begin, set up your Figma file by utilizing basic shapes and existing components to form the structural layout. Focus on applying a consistent, yet simple, typography and a limited color palette to maintain a mid-fidelity aesthetic. Remember to organize your layers and frames effectively. This practice ensures your prototype remains manageable and easy to navigate as it grows. Next, bring your prototype to life by adding interactivity. Connect your frames using basic navigation flows to simulate user journeys through your design. Implement simple hover and click interactions to provide immediate feedback to the user. For a more polished feel, utilize Figma's Smart Animate feature to create smooth and engaging transitions between different states and screens. Finally, the crucial step is testing and refining your prototype. Share your creation with potential users to gather valuable feedback on its usability and flow. Carefully observe their interactions to identify any areas that need improvement or clarification. Based on these insights, iterate on your designs, making necessary refinements to enhance the user experience before moving to high-fidelity stages.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.